Well, hello. I finally let my castings dry out for a few days, and I'm able to sift them a lot better. I'm using my big boy first. This is how you get the big pieces that I use to sift them. And the pieces that did not come through are the pieces right here, and they're big clumpy pieces, so those can go back into another worm bin. And the worms that I have found that got sifted so far, they're in here. That will be going back into the European worm bin. But now I'm going to sift them one more time with my smaller hole sifter to make these even finer. So now let me get down to business with my next sifter. Well, here's the results of the casting sifted with this sifter here. I still have a ways to go, but I sifted once and I got them to this size here, and it's still worms and eggs, as you can see. And then I went a little bit finer to this size. So you're the one that determines how fine you want your castings to be. But I got, like I said, a ways to go. Still some more sifting. But this is a nice size here just to add to my garden beds, because it's sifted once. From this, using this, to this, using this. Well, here are a few other videos to learn more about worms. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. I just want to take time out to say thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.